So he thinks several races. Well, to me, might be several races, but reptilian related. So it's much more detail. And he showed that this is a statue of a humanoid. Imagine that statue must be about the size of North America or South America. The size of a continent, one statue. Whoa. And I would say this craft is a lot bigger than Earth, way a lot, because the sun is a million times bigger than Earth, and this thing is, is way bigger than Earth, comparing both the Earth and the sun. I mean, the Earth, the craft, against the sun. So you need to read all this description, which is not much. And I'll try to enlarge it with the zooming with the camera. Although you can read it on bibliotecaplayades.net. It said that you have to enlarge the images a lot more to see these smaller details. See, this to me appears to be another statue or something because it's so red you can't even tell what it is. And there's another one on this one. Now he describes several ports with smaller craft attached to them all around this major mothership. And it's exactly the same thing. Look, there is a reptilian statue right there. Legs, arm, torso, and head right there on one side of the craft. Or that part of the craft, because this is one craft, not two of them. They look like two, but they join at the top. And that's the statue right there. And look all the details. My goodness, from that tiny speck to this is amazing. That technology, he developed a technique, advanced photo extraction process. See, the thing is so red that you cannot tell anything except the eyes are reptilian looking eyes. With several faces in one face. See, another reptile face to the side. Some of the beaches are a nightmare, man. Can you imagine standing at the bottom of that, at the foot of that statue looking up? Can't even see the whole thing. Have to get on a spacecraft and fly around to see, to have a better view. The view is just wow. But on top of that, this thing is moving inside a gigantic magnetic field that is millions of degrees hot, by the way, because it's right on top of the sun. So look, he tried to show the statue. Oh, start with that meow and shit. You want to get out? It's already dark. Shh. Go. gonna drive him crazy, cat. Not gonna happen. So look at that. He's pointing at different parts of this mothership where there are ports and structures and crafts, smaller ones. That's incredible. His technique is that he is able to amplify each part of that tiny little image. So you have to read to understand what he's showing you. And that's the statue. The yellow, purple, orange point to the area that we will additionally look at. Imagine it's gonna even enhance the statue piece by piece. This to me appeared to be the arm of that statue, the left arm holding something. Can't tell what it is because it's dark and weird, but wow, you can see other like faces and structures, just weird looking thing. I mean, you look at the picture and my camera is making it bright, but the picture is dark blue. So there is another part of the craft and one of those tubular, worn-looking objects. And you see building row after row of buildings like a huge city. Ah! Go! Hey, look. Meow! He pointed out that in space there's no up or down, so you can turn the image sideways or it's all the same thing. It just give you different perspective, but it's the same thing. Because in space, it's true, there's no up or down. Like being in the ocean deep down. Only deal is that in the ocean, the lower you go, the more pressure you get, but there's no pressure here. It's a different environment. Wow. Multi-versatile form of architecture. So he's doing more and more details, and look. So we're looking at this craft from the bottom up. We're not even looking at the craft, I don't know which way, but I can tell you these all reptilian heads. Then it's gonna show that section right there. You can see all these smaller objects.